Okay, y'all, it's Red Randy. Just to show y'all where I'm at. I wish that the work that you saw on the shrinker stretcher and the bead roller was all I had to do, but that's just a part of it. You cut your shape, then you put your lines in it, work with it, shrink it, stretch it, or do what you got to do. But in this area here, I used the English wheel a little bit. Had to massage it, and twist it around, and it takes a lot of work in a contoured area like that. But after a while of bending, tweaking, I've got it fitting pretty good. Got it about ready to weld in. We got the other side, I've got it welded in. Just got to do this side, but they look pretty good. I'll get this side welded in, then I'll start bending my angle to go all the way down here. That way I can put the next two panels in, and then the panel after that is where the seat riser comes in. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of sitting back and looking at it and trying to figure out. I have nothing over here, no structure under there at all. I'm gonna have to find something to look at to give me an idea of what I need to do in this area, how I need to fix it. But we'll get through it. I'll figure it out, and we'll get it done. Another thing I wanted to show y'all is something I picked up the other day. Picked these up at Tractor Supply. I thought they were pretty neat with the handle being offset like that. Just like up here, if I want to go up in there and hold these two pieces together while I tack it, hold them level, the handle is not in the way. You can get up against something and not have to worry about the handle being in the way. And there was 4 of these in a set, and the longest one is pretty cool. It's a double jointed deal. You can go way down in something and grab it with that, and it's got the offset handles on it too. I just thought I'd share that with y'all. Pretty neat. I picked them up. I think they were like $12, $14 for a set. So anyway, might want to run and pick some up. I don't know if anybody else is handling these or not, any of the other tool places, but I thought they were pretty cool. They'll come in handy somewhere down the line. All right, well, I'm gonna weld this one in, and I'll come back, show y'all where I'm at, start bending that angle, and put those other pans in. All right, see y'all in a little while. All right, I'm back. Okay, I got the patch panel that I showed y'all that I had just stuck in place. Got it made, welded in. Got my holes for my spot welds, rosette welds, pre-drilled and deburred. Got it on both sides. And these holes back here that I drilled with the spot weld drill, I had a burr on the back side of them. I just took a flat file and got in there between the frame and that and filed it down to make it smooth so I could put my angle in there and not have anything interfering with it. And on this side, I've already got the angle bent to go in place, and it's looking pretty good. Down here is where you want to wind up on this flat surface. It's a body mount spot right there. Now all I got to do is take this piece here and make a mirror opposite piece of it to go on the passenger side. Then I'll be ready to weld those in. And then another thing, I was kind of looking at this. I bought these pieces here. They call them rocker panel rear extensions. All it does is you weld it on to the rocker, and it extends on back to fill in this area. And just looking at it, I'm thinking that whenever I put these in, get to that point, that the rocker is gonna come down and join up with this, and I'll be able to weld it to this and box that in, because I don't want this just open to the floor pan. The floor pan will come out to the rocker will go down, and hopefully this panel, everything will come together like it should. And then this seat riser piece that they sent, it goes right here on that mount, and then this rocker should go back and run into that. So I'm hoping that's the way it all, that's the way they planned it for it to work like that. But if I hadn't have started at the back and came this way, this piece here, the seat riser, would have wound up, you know, on up here where it shouldn't be. So everything's working out pretty good, and all I did with this is I just, you know, held it up here, figured out where I needed to bend it and where I needed to shrink it and stretch it, and it was just a back and forth process to the shrinker stretcher. And I finally got it fitting pretty good. Finally got it fitting. So as soon as I get this other one done, I'm gonna go ahead and weld it in and get both of them welded in, and then I'll put those other two panels in, and after I get those in, it'll be a seat riser, and then figuring all this stuff out when I need to put these rocker extensions in, or you know what I need to do. All right, well, I'm fixing to get started shrinking and stretching this other piece, but